Do you want fast hair growth? Do you want to stop your hair from shedding and breaking? Do you want to stop your hair from flaking? That is dandruff. Your scalp, I mean to say, do you want your scalp to be free of dandruff? Is your growth stagnant and you want your hair to grow past that certain length that you've been all year round? Do you want to grow your hair really thick, just like what you can see on the video? Do you basically want your hair to be healthy? It takes consistency to achieve all that I've mentioned, and with today's recipe, you will definitely achieve all that I've mentioned. But it's not just applying the product, is by being consistent. Because I realize that what some of you do is when you see that something is working for you, or you're not just patient, you hop into every trend that you want or any trend that you see around you. No, sis, that's not going to be you this 2026. So if you want to achieve all that I've mentioned, you just have to grab all the ingredients that we're about to share on today's recipe and run fast with it. Make the product and make sure you are consistent. Consistency is the key. If you check this channel from today down to 2020, that it all started, you will see that I've been consistent. If there is anybody, if consistency were to be a human being, that would be DINMA. So learn this today. Be consistent with this particular recipe, with this particular hair grease that we're about to make. So all you need is just 2 full tablespoons of shea butter. I'm sure you can get shea butter anywhere. Shea butter is rampant. Anybody can get shea butter. So next ingredient you need for this recipe is mango butter. Now you're going to be measuring about 2 teaspoons of the mango butter. Oh, sorry, 1 teaspoon of the mango butter. Remember, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 teaspoonful of the mango butter. Mango butter and shea butter, they are two different things. And the next ingredient is henna powder. Don't tell me you can't find henna. Henna is everywhere. All you need is just the original henna. So measure out about a tablespoon of the henna powder and then transfer it into this. Measure out your rosemary oil in 1 tablespoon as well, and then pour everything in the bowl. And then using a DIY double boiler, place this in the water bath. Allow everything to melt and infuse. So after melting, this is ready. Proceed to stir vigorously and then turn off your heat. Allow this to cool a bit before you're able to bring it down so that it doesn't burn you. Once this has cooled down a bit, proceed to strain. Grab your strainer and a bowl and then sieve out the chaff. The reason why you will not allow this to cool down completely is because it has got butter in it, and if you leave it, if you waste time, it is going to congeal even with the particles, so you don't want that. Go on ahead to strain out the particles. You can still use the particle and infuse in your oil to make hair growth oil, so you must not trash it. So you can put that in your hair growth infusion, or if you have already infusion going on, you can introduce this to it just so you don't waste. So after straining, just place it on your cabinet or wherever in a cool, dry place. Allow it to cool completely and come together like so, and then use this to seal in moisture in your hair. You can apply it on your scalp, but that is once after every wash day. You don't have to apply it on your scalp every time, so that it doesn't clog your pores because of the butters. So apply it on your hair. Make sure you're consistent. Keep on applying this. It's going to reduce shedding and breakage. It is going to thicken your hair. The best way to use this is in protective style. If you're in protective style, you can keep on applying it in your protective style. Use it to moisturize, and then when you take down your protective style, you're going to be amazed as the result. So this is basically for those shedding. If you've got dandruff, if your hair is never thick or your hair is never growing, make this your best friend. Use it religiously. You can use it on your scalp once in a very long while when you wash your hair, depending on your wash routine. Then apply on your hair shaft most of the time, 2 to 3 times a week, and then watch your hair grow. I really would want you to try henna this period. Start with this herbal hair growth grease that we just made on this video. Start with it. Remain consistent. So you're going to see a huge difference in your hair this 2026. That is if you're consistent. Remember, consistency is the key. Not just you use today, the next time you forget about it and start looking for another magic. No, you have to really be consistent. Apply it both in protective style, loose hair, whichever. Remain consistent and you will see the miracle in henna happen for you. If you want this product to last for you, add vitamin E oil in 1%, and it's going to last as long as you want it, even up to a year or 2 years, depending. So this can be stored in your kitchen cabinet or any cabinet at all in a cool, dry place. You don't have to refrigerate it, and you can use it for your kids from 2 years and above. So proceed to using this every 2 to 3 times in a week. Now share this with anyone whose hair is thinning. Share this in your WhatsApp groups, your Facebook groups, your Instagram, name it. Share with friends. Let's make this viral, because henna is the real deal. This particular grease is amazing. I made it for a client and the result is mind-blowing. She have been using it for 6 months now, and her hair, God, is amazing. Thank you so much for watching today's video.